Okay.
I'm JB Flores, reflexologist, public servant, 16 years and 2 months. Intention to continue public servant. I'm JB Flores, reflexologist, formerly assigned Philippine Fleet Medical to Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo Station Hospital. Position NCOIC. Number 3, Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Service, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Position NCOIC, my 10th position. Grades 100%. I will show you how to reflex a 1 session of stroke